Hi, my name is Jeff Camps. I'm president at Wisconsin Gear. I've been here for 36 years. We ship everything from gears, splines, components, anything for the packaging, paper industry, farmers, anything and everything.
Here at Wisconsin Gear, Jeff's got a lot of older equipment. So what we've been able to do is free him up, free his people up to not have to spend time on setups, not have to spend time just tending a machine that's in the cut for hours potentially. We're reducing those cycle times to minutes, making him able to take on more work, new work, and freeing him up or freeing an operator up really to take care of other business at the same time.
The productivity has been very good. It's really increased the quantity, the speed. I've invested in better tooling, better hobs. We've cut our cycle times down from 4 hours down to half hour. You know what I mean? You can spin at higher RPMs. The machines are very rigid. It's really been beneficial for Wisconsin Gear. And with the lack of people, it's really made a big difference. We can still get a large volume of work done in a timely manner.
Manpower is a huge issue that our customers are having right now. And as we've seen with Jeff, a new CNC gear hobber helps ease that a little because the machine is a lot faster. It's easier to set up. It's easier to program. So that helps to that end.
Customers are really happy with our new equipment, and the turnaround times are faster, and people love working on them. The old equipment that we had, it was very tough to keep people here and interested, and the new machines have definitely brought people to a new level, and it's brought a whole new market of people knocking on the door to want to work here.